Apple normally launches new iPhone series around mid-September, so we're about 2 months away from the iPhone 16. This year's range, like the iPhone 15 series, is expected to consist of 4 models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, though there will be plenty of design variances and new features to consider. So consider subscribing and watching till the finish to learn more about these features. The first category is for larger displays. This year's iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to have larger display sizes, measuring 6.27 and 6.86 inches respectively. For comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max have 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch displays respectively. The new display sizes would be the largest ever for an iPhone. Another difference between the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 15 is that the base versions will have a vertical camera layout with a pill-shaped elevated surface, rather than a diagonal camera arrangement. The redesigned camera bump includes 2 independent camera rings for the wide and ultra-wide cameras. The vertical camera configuration is believed to allow for spatial video recording, which is currently confined to iPhone 15 Pro versions. The battery will then be changed. One rumor says that the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max may have larger batteries than their predecessors, while the iPhone 16 Plus may have a smaller capacity. The iPhone 16 is rumored to have a 6% increase over the iPhone 15, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max getting a 5% bump. In comparison, the iPhone 16 Plus is expected to have a 9% reduction in capacity. On the other hand, Apple may adopt stacked battery technology to boost energy density and extend longevity throughout the lineup. The ultra-wide lens upgrade is one the iPhone 16 Pro versions are expected to sport an enhanced 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera lens, which could allow for better photographs while shooting in 0.5x mode, especially in low-light conditions. This also implies that iPhone 16 Pro models can capture 48-megapixel ProRAW images in ultra-wide mode. These photographs maintain more detail in the image file, allowing for greater editing freedom and the ability to print at big sizes. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is also expected to include a larger main camera with an advanced bespoke 48-megapixel Sony IMX903 sensor. The iPhone 16 Pro Max could be the first to include a super telephoto periscope camera with significantly improved optical zoom. The terms super or ultra telephoto usually refer to cameras with focal lengths greater than 300mm. The existing telephoto lens is equivalent to a 77mm lens. Therefore, if accurate, zoom capabilities might increase significantly. Super telephoto cameras are commonly employed for sports and wildlife photography. Still, the extremely soft backgrounds they produce also make them great for portrait photography, as long as there is enough distance between the subject and the photographer. Fifth, we have the capture button. All iPhone 16 models will feature a new capture button for triggering image or video capture. The button will have capabilities such as the ability to zoom in and out by swiping left and right, focus on a subject with a gentle tap, and start a recording with a more strong press. The capture button will be situated on the bottom right side of the iPhone 16, replacing the mmWave antenna on US iPhone models, which will be relocated to the left side of the device, below the volume and action buttons. Apple is reportedly considering using micro-lens technology to maintain or boost the brightness of OLED panels on next year's iPhone 16 models, while potentially reducing power usage. MLI lowers internal reflections by creating a consistent pattern of billions of lenses within the panel. These lenses redirect the path of light reflected backward from the inside of the panel toward the screen, which can either increase perceived brightness while maintaining the same level of power consumption, or maintain brightness levels while using less power than conventional OLED panels at the same luminance. Speaking about the new A18 series chips, Apple's next-generation A18 Pro chip is believed to be made using TSMC's second-generation 3nm technology, known as N3E. According to speculations, all 4 iPhone 16 models will be equipped with A18 branded CPUs, although Apple may differentiate between the basic and Pro models by giving the chips separate A18 and A18 Pro names. Because of the Apple Intelligence features that will be included in iOS 18, it makes sense for all 4 iPhone 16 models to employ the same A18 chip. Apple Intelligence requires a powerful CPU to run its AI functions on device. Currently, only the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max may use Apple Intelligence. Finally, there's 40-watt fast charging and 20-watt MagSafe. A persistent rumor claims that the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will enable 40-watt wired fast charging and 20-watt MagSafe charging. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models can currently charge at up to 27-watt peak with an appropriate USB-C power adapter, while official MagSafe chargers from Apple and authorized third parties can charge the iPhone 15 models wirelessly at up to 15 watt. The charging boost is expected to balance and address the problem of longer charging times caused by increased battery capacity. So, share your thoughts in the comment section. See you in my next video. Goodbye.